What's up, you guys? It's Options Finest, and today I got for you the review video of this Razer Nari Ultimate, do not forget, Ultimate headphones. And this is as a comparison of the old Razer Kraken version 2 headphones, which are dying on me, which is why I upgraded to these guys. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm making this video for myself and for everyone else who's interested in potentially upgrading or changing their headset. So this is wireless. If you do not know, it is a wireless headset, which is why I did that, because I'm sick of this thing. I just learned from doing a little bit of reading. This headset has a lot, actually. First off, it has THX, like, you know, the company that has the big blasting sound in the beginning of movies. Yeah, they have, they're in this. They're incorporated in the drivers somehow with the surround sound. The 360 surround sound is developed by them. So what's cool about these things, to start off, getting started in setting these things up, on the bottom here, this is the little dongle that you use to keep it in wireless mode. So it's just the housing for it. You press it and it comes out. Is that awesome? So you take this, you put it into your computer, and let that thing sync up. And then these two wires, this is for certain devices that don't take USB, like you can put it into your Nintendo Switch or something else like that. It just gives you more functionality in case you wanted to use these on something else. You can use them, you can put them in a drawer like I will. As you can see, Razer is setting up. And then this obviously is to charge the headset. Feel the battle with every touch of power feed Razer Hypersense. That's what I was talking about before. That's what Hypersense is. It's the THX Spatial Audio powered by Razer Synapse. So you gotta download the software. You don't have to buy it, it's free. So you got Razer Synapse, Chroma Connect, Chroma Studio, Chroma Visualizer, Razer Cortex. I'm gonna skip, oh no, I'm not gonna select all. Razer Synapse, I don't want the Cortex. All right, install. So then you just turn these things on, set this power. All of this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. This volume rocker is for game audio. It's like, it adjusts if you want to hear more of the game or more of voice chat. So the bottom going down is voice chat, going up is the game. Power, charger, the big jacks for in case you need it for your Switch or something. Slot where that thing goes. I feel like I want to plug these in first. So this thing, micro USB. Probably have one of these sitting somewhere in your house if you lose this one. This thing, I know this thing's still installing, so the static red means that this needs charging, so up charging. So we'll get back to this when it is done installing. Alright, well now with everything down without any processing, that's normal. Then you go to surround sound. Now this is very good for competitive games and other things. To it on the old one, the old V2 headsets had that feature. And now if we go into the next mode, game mode, this is custom tuned audio settings that optimize your audio experience for THX Spatial Audio between THX environmental mode and competitive mode. Now, this is an added piece of software that you need to buy aftermarket. So it doesn't come included when you buy this headset. You would think for $170. That's okay though, I'm sure. See, it says supported games, THX Spatial Audio, and blah, 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 blah. This thing's getting in my way. Honey, sponsor me. This is the sales page, Spatial Audio, surround sound with superior positional accuracy. Basically what it's saying, better tuned to be able to differentiate the environment that you're in. So if you set it to competitive mode for a game like CS, for example, CSGO, it's able to separate the audio from footsteps and explosion. So if you hear an explosion, they'll probably tone that down a bit compared to footsteps or reloads, something more crucial to your environment in your natural surroundings. So it's just a little bit different. Benefits, greater awareness, figure out every sound is coming from instinctually, greater immersion. Environmental mode, competitive mode, boosts enemy audio so you can hear their footsteps in road and other sound effects with greater clarity. So these are all the games it supports. Apex, Black Ops 4, PUBG, everything. CSGO, I would probably assume would be the best one. Valorant is another good game to have under the umbrella of this software. If you guys really want that, if this video gets 150 likes, I will do another video of that particular software and give you a review on that. Let's just focus on what we do have, which is the surround sound. So this, you're able to, so that's good. Mixer, it's on apparently. Okay, it's done. Enhancement, bass boost, voice clarity. So haptic intensity, adjust the haptic intensity of the headset to control the level of immersion. I'm sure if I raise this, probably be better. Sound normalization. Normalness. Avoid sudden and unpleasant increase in volume from effects such as explosions. Voice clarity. So this just helps sound from other people talking. Enhances low frequency response. That's just bass. Default. Game. Movie. Music. I'll leave it on music. That's probably what I use it the most for. So I'll leave that. Then the microphone. Sensitivity. This I actually need to adjust. Vocal clarity, let's turn that on. Let's make it very clear. I'm sure this is sounding better. If it's not, then that sucks. Ambient noise reduction, just leave that where it is. Mic sensitivity adjust. So I think I need to put that at 80. Mic sensitivity, leave it maybe a little louder and see how that goes. All right, mic monitoring, side tone. Listen to your microphone directly through your headset with the hello. And then you can see the battery here. Lighting, so whenever my display goes off, the lights goes off, so it saves battery. Quick effects, fly to chroma. Power saving, after 15 minutes, the device will turn off. So that's good. I like that where it is. Surround sounds good. Let me see if I can just go on Spotify. I don't want to get copyright strike. It's at pretty good volume. Let me see what happens. I really want this thing to get louder. So that's on surround. It really just doesn't sound loud enough. Oh! Which one is that? Oh, because it's on game? These things are actually shaking. This is game. Oh no. This is so loud. This is great. Ow. I'm pushing it. Ooh, this is loud. Stopping. Alright, so I am very much severely underestimated how loud this thing can be. It really can be freaking loud. Let me load that up. Burst suppression, very good. I use this as a mining PC actually, if you guys don't know. But if you do want a video for that, leave a like down below, put a comment there as well, and I will certainly do a video on my mining setup, and I can give you some numbers and details on that. These things are so heavy that they slip back on your head so easily. You have to like really sit them forward if you want to them solid. I hear you squishing around. Give me that. This is great for clutch. Right now, it's easier when it's a solo game. You can isolate a lot of the sounds because you won't have as many as mine, sir. There's someone on. Yep. So yeah, I heard the difference in sound. I heard the difference in sound, and it's very good. Oh, that's great. This is great. Give me the heal. Someone's right above me. I hear it. Yep. Oh, I can't move. It ended. GG. So that was the review of the sound. It was very good, honestly. I actually really like these. I can hear everything so well. I'm able to pinpoint everything very well. You were hearing me in the video say, oh, he's over there, oh, he's over there. I know he's behind me because of the sound. It's all very good. It's actually a little bit louder and more crisp than the other headsets that I had for surround sound. These things are great. I have no wires. I'm not worried. I'm used to worrying about feeling something on me right here, and I don't. The only thing I don't really like is the fact that sometimes these things slip back a little bit, but that's really like minimal, and that's just because that's how my head is, and I put it towards the back of my head before, so it was like I put it here, and it's kind of just inevitable that they're going to slide back. So overall, very good, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and that just fell. Peace.